This hearty breakfast casserole combines protein-rich black beans and eggs with flavorful cheddar cheese, sun-dried tomatoes, and fresh basil. To begin, let's heat a convection oven to 350 degrees. If using a regular oven, preheat to 375 degrees. Oil a 2-inch half-hotel pan or a 9x13 casserole or baking dish with half of the olive oil. Next, combine the eggs, cream, 1½ cups of the cheese, sun-dried tomatoes, basil, salt, and pepper in a large bowl. Stir in the black beans. Gently fold in the sautéed onions and peppers. Now, we'll pour our mixture into the prepared pan and bake for 15 to 20 minutes until the sides start to set and cook. Sprinkle the green onions and remaining cheese over the top and return to the oven and bake 15 to 20 minutes longer or until the center is set and the top is golden brown. Remove the casserole from the oven and allow it to cool slightly before cutting into portions. This breakfast casserole is a great way to start your day.